A new study shows that a herd of 170 bison can store CO2 emissions equivalent to removing 2 million cars off the road for a year. So, bison play a significant role not only for the grasslands, but also the forest ecosystem too, as well. So, some of the ways that they do this is through grazing the grasslands even, and then also by recycling all of the nutrition to the soil and all of the life within the soil too as well. And then they also enrich the ecosystem by dispersing seeds. And then also they also compact the soil. And once you compact the soil, this helps to prevent releasing of CO2 emissions. So, definitely some shocking ways of how bison play a significant role in reducing CO2 emissions. And then also, 2024 is expected to be one of the most significant years for human suffering and climate change disasters. And then also, 2023 was the warmest year on record. Basically, it was the warmest year since records began in the 1850s. And then also, carbon dioxide emissions also had one of the most significant years within history too as well in 2023. So, definitely some shocking statistics. So, scientists and researchers have been tracking CO2 emissions through an upward trajectory called the killing curve. And this is an important statistical tool to analyzing human caused CO2 emissions. But a lot of scientists and researchers debate the accuracy of this killing curve. And then also, what a lot of people don't know too, as well, is that oceans absorb about 90% of excess greenhouse gas emissions. And then also, scientists reported 13 straight months of record breaking ocean temperatures. And this is one of the main reasons why we've seen a significant increase in ocean temperatures is due to the fact that the oceans absorb much of the CO2 emissions too as well. And then in 2023, the NOAA reported over 28 climate change disasters as well as weather events that caused over $1 billion in damage. So this is the most significant year. 2023, last year, was the most significant in regards to infrastructure damage caused by climate change and extreme weather. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens within the next decades, especially since we're moving beyond this 20th century climate patterns and we're entering a new era of extreme weather because a lot of our infrastructure was not made for this new era of extreme weather. But there has to be more infrastructure updates to really protect these vulnerable communities. So there isn't a whole lot of mitigation being done to protect the most vulnerable. So definitely some very interesting perspectives in regards to climate change. But thank you.